Hello students, welcome to Maths Arena. As you know, CBSE has deleted 30% syllabus in all subjects from class 9 to 12. So today I am going to tell you what exactly has been deleted from class 10th in Maths. Keep watching video till end. Topics removed has been given in any CBSE website. You can see cbseacademic.nic.in. So you can get revised as well as deleted syllabus over there. Okay. So from chapter 1, that is number system and real numbers, Euclid division lemma has been removed. Okay, so Euclid division lemma in chapter 1 is present in exercise 1.1. so this whole exercise 1.1 has been deleted. Okay, next one is chapter number 2, that is polynomials, statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients, and this has been removed. So come to the polynomials. So in polynomials, exercise number 2.3, 2.3, this whole exercise has been removed. Next is pair of linear equations in two variables. In this, cross multiplication method has been removed, which was already not in syllabus since many years. So it has been removed, only this topic, but questions related to questions can come, but you will be asked to solve with other methods. Okay, so this one is pair of linear equation, chapter number 3, and you will get, this is cross multiplication method. So this method has been removed, but questions can come, you can solve it by elimination or substitution method as well. Okay, next one is, that is quadratic equation. So this is situation based problems on equation reducible to quadratic equations. So question means situation problems based on quadratic equation, means we have to make the quadratic equation. So this has been removed. So there are some few questions that has been removed from quadratic equations. This one is quadratic equation, chapter number 4. So in this, from exercise 4.3, okay, from exercise 4.3, that is question number 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. These questions has been removed. Okay, you can ask with to solve with other method if you have. So for now, for as of now, this has been removed. Next one is arithmetic progression. Okay, in this, application is solving daily life problem based on sum to n terms. Okay, coming to the arithmetic progression in book. So this one is arithmetic progression. In that, from exercise 5.1 you have to do it full. Okay, no deletion is there. In 5.2 you only remove 19th and 20th question, and from exercise 5.3 up to 14th you have to do all the questions. After that, delete all the questions. So for as of now, means 15, 16, 17, all the questions are not in syllabus. Okay, so next one is, I think, triangles. Okay, chapter 6 is triangle. So this is proof of the following theorems are deleted. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. And second one, in a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. So basically Pythagoras theorem, proof of Pythagoras theorem and this similar triangles theorem has been removed. So this one is theorem theorem 6.6, this one. Okay, and theorem 6.9. These two theorems, 6.6 and 6.9, to prove this theorem has been removed, as you have to do full chapter. Okay, next one is chapter number 7, that is coordinate geometry. In this, area of triangle, the exercise based on area of triangle has been removed. Okay, this one is our coordinate geometry, and in this exercise 7.3, this whole exercise has been removed. Okay, and they have, next chapter is introduction to trigonometry, but they have not discussed anything about introduction to trigonometry. It means you have to do full chapter in this, no deletion in there in introduction to trigonometry. And next one is some applications of trigonometry. and this has also not been discussed in the deleted syllabus. So this full chapter you have to complete, no deletion is there. And similarly in circle they have already written no deletion, so it means you have to do chapter 10 full, no deletion is there. Next one is construction, chapter number 11. There is construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. Okay, so this has been removed. So coming to the construction chapter, so in this exercise 11.1 full exercise has been removed. Only you have to focus on exercise 11.2. Only 2 exercises are there only, so you have to only focus on exercise 11.2. so question will come only on this basis. Okay, next one is our, it is chapter number 12, that is problems on central angle area related to circle. So this is chapter number 12. So problem related to this only, this will has been removed. So this one is on, only one question is there I think, that is on 12.3, question number 6. This question has been removed only, and question related to this type in which 120 degree and everything is mentioned, so this has been removed only. Next one is chapter number 13, surface area and volumes. In this frustum of a cone, this topic has been deleted. So this is surface area and volumes. So in this frustum of a cone is last exercise, okay, that is 13.4. this full exercise has been deleted. Next one is statistics. So in statistics, this is step deviation method for finding the mean and cumulative frequency graph. These two topics has been deleted. So this is a question in which you have to find the mean by step deviation method. So basically this step deviation method has been deleted. Along with that, cumulative frequency graph, this has been in this is in the exercise 14.4 I think. Okay, this is the last exercise of statistics. So in 14.4 you have to see, you can see that cumulative frequency. So this exercise 14.4 has been deleted. So next one is, next and last is probability. There is written no deletion. So this full topic, full chapter probability, you have to do it. No deletion is there. So okay, so already CBSE has reduced syllabus to 30%. Okay, so keep focusing on the topics which has not been deleted, and keep yourself updated with Maths Arena. Thank you.